客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes music by Sangyutai Youth Band with a song called The Auntie That Goes to Kaohsiung to Sell banzai, which is a type of food. And it depicts a hardworking woman who pedals her cart into town to sell this banzai. After she packs up her stand, she returns home under the moonlight, all without taking a break. And this kind of gives the picture of the strength of a woman in rural villages in past years. So let's take a listen to He Go Hyung Mai Ban Ge Aso.
聽海面出來經一條事業家道，其實總都阿蘇忙得面帶領你嘛，鏡頭開電板呀做好嘅班呢，讓你夢夢嘅天空出門，兩隻蛋呢。 面包班、烏班、鹽班，學條公班同鬼班，一個用做事。擺攤呢，大眾五點半，負責吃啦吃咧對幫了面針，聽海面出來嘅一條事業。 開電板呀做好嘅班呢，讓你夢夢嘅天空出門，兩隻蛋呢表慢，面包班、烏班、鹽班，拍條公班同鬼班，一個用做事，擺攤呢。
这首歌是由三狗大后生乐团所带来的，去高雄卖板的阿嫂。He Go Hyung Mai Ban Ge Aso。这首歌呢，在描绘农村妇女的勤奋身影，在天未亮之前要赶着进城来卖板仔，然后收摊后和月光一起返家，全年无休。而乐团呢，透过内敛质朴的音乐，使这幅历史画面在歌声中缓缓的展开。希望你们喜欢。Thank you for listening to another Hakka song on ICRT. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.